Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today it's all about green eyes. So just let's get started. I'm beginning the makeup by cleaning the skin with Micell cleansing water. It's important to clean the skin before the makeup. Now I'm applying Hydrating Primer. Hydrating Primer, it's a really moisturizing product as contains hyaluronic acid and a lot of good vegetal oils. I love the primer as it leaves a really glowy natural finish on skin. As my model has slightly enlarged pores, I will refine them with Poreless Gel. At the same time, I will get rid of the shine in the T-zone. Poreless Gel is better to apply by fingers. I will moisturize the lips with HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. The color looks pinky, but when applying it on lips, it's a transparent texture that is enhancing the natural lip color. I will apply now with a blending brush Longwear Foundation in shade 1Y40. The foundation is really creamy and the pigments are really fine, so it's really transparent but also very coverage texture. You can also work in layers with this foundation and get any result you want. I will highlight now the middle of the face and the dark eye area with HD Pro Concealer in shade N25. The texture is waterproof, non-creasing and liquid, and it can be really easy blend. I will set now the makeup with Setting Smooth Loose Powder. This is a rice powder that is refining well the pores, leaves a smooth and matte finish on skin. It is also a perfect powder for the baking technique. I will contour the face with Contour Powder CP02 Redwood. It's a cool reddish shade that fits perfectly for medium to tan skin tones. I am contouring under the cheeks, the forehead and the chin. And also I'm contouring the both sides of the nose, and I'm applying this shade also in the crease of the eyes to create a natural shadow. I will apply now Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade LL26 Fairy Tale. The texture is so soft and waterproof as I'm applying it like an eyeshadow in the crease of the eyes. Now I will use an eye primer for the eyelids. It's a liquid transparent and very light texture. It can be applied also as lipstick primer. I will work now with Cream Gel Liner in shade Espresso. I love the texture because it's really creamy and it can be applied on the waterline, and also it can be good for a blended eyeliner, which I'm creating right now. I'm blending the eyeliner with a brush and I'm pulling it direction eyebrows. I'm going slightly into the crease of the eyes and I'm blending it with a brush to soften everything very well. I will use now my favorite eyeshadow palette, Nude Glam. I will use the brown shade from the palette. It's a matte eyeshadow and I'm going into the crease of the eyes with a blending brush. I'm blending well the eyeliner with this matte eyeshadow. Now I'm intensifying the look with the black eyeshadow from the palette. I'm going into the outer corner of the eyes and I'm pulling the color to the eyebrows. Now I will apply on the eyelids Pearl Pigment in shade Gold Pink. It's a very nice color for green eyes. I'm highlighting now the inner corner of the eyes with the highlighter from the palette Naked Doll. I will emphasize now the eyebrows with our very new product that is coming soon. It's the Eyebrow Cream Gel and I'm working with two colors, one lighter, I'm applying on the beginning of eyebrows, and the darker one I'm emphasizing the arch. I'm applying the powder blush in shade Teddy. It's a really nice color because it's going very well also as a reddish bronzer. As highlighter, I'm using the color Naked Doll from Nude Glam palette. To shape the lips, I'm using a pencil in a pinky shade and I'm applying Fairy Tale on the lips. For more glossy and moisturized lips, I'm applying HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. Now you can see the result before and after. I hope guys you liked it today. See you next time. Bye bye.